Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial by Zebra Code. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to download, install, and launch the Unreal Engine 5 on your computer. The Unreal Engine 5 has just been released. But hang on, what is it? Unreal Engine is a game engine written in C++. It is being developed by Epic Games. It was first released in 1998, and over the years it has undergone different versions. Different versions of it have been released over the years. What actually is Unreal Engine? Well, Unreal Engine is more than just a game engine. According to the publisher's own website, it is the world's most advanced real-time 3D creation tool for photoreal and immersive experiences. There is a lot more to it than being just a game engine, and we will find out in a minute. So, for us to download and install it, let's go to their official website. There are different ways you can get to their official website. You can follow the link right here on the screen, or just do a Google search for Unreal Engine download and it will take you to the same website. However, I am going to follow this link. Alright, by following that link, I am now on their official website. I can click on the download button here to download it. I can also click on products, read about Unreal Engine here, or click on Unreal Engine 5 to download it. If you click on Unreal Engine 5 here, it will take you to the same page as the one that this one will take you to. But before you download it, I will strongly recommend that you sign in first, because that is something you would need in the process of the installation of the Unreal Engine 5. Before we download it, let's sign in first. I strongly recommend that you sign in because you will be able to install it easily if you are already signed in. If you don't have an account already, quickly create one here. If you have one already, sign in. I already have an account with them, so I'm going to sign in with that account. Now I'm going to click on sign in. Great. This page will open when you click sign in. Here you have so many options to choose from. If you have already signed up, you can sign in with any of these options. But if you have not signed up already, you can sign up here. Because I am already signed up, I'm not going to sign up again. I will just sign in, and I'm going to use the sign in with Epic Games option to sign in. Click on this. Great. Now it's asking me of my login details. I'm going to enter my login details here. And please leave this as it is. Remember me, let it be ticked. If you untick it, you will have to sign in again later. So you don't want to sign in twice. Just leave it as it is now. And I'm going to click login. Great. Now I have signed in successfully, and my username is showing up here. So this is my username. And now that I have signed in, I can click the download button. Yes, when you click the download button, this page will open. On this page, it says get started with Unreal Engine, and it shows the recommended system requirements for you to use. It depends on your operating system. If you are on Windows, these are the requirements. For Mac OS, these are the requirements. While for Linux Ubuntu, These are the requirements. It depends on your operating system. I am on Windows. Here it gives information about the cost of Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine is free to use for creating linear content like films and for custom and internal projects. It's also free in many cases for game development, and a 5% royalty only kicks in if and when your title earns over $1 million US. Here it shows what is included in this version of Unreal Engine that we are about to install. Now let's scroll down a little bit. It says here, number 1, open the Epic Games launcher. The launcher is where you get access to Unreal Engine. What that means is the launcher gives you access to Unreal Engine. With the launcher, you can easily access Unreal Engine. We will see that in a minute in the process of installing and accessing it, or in the process of installing and launching it. Here, if you have downloaded a launcher already, you can open launcher here. If you have not downloaded it, you can download a launcher here. In our case, we have not downloaded it, so now let's download it. Click download launcher. Now it is downloading. Great, it has completed the process of downloading the launcher. Now let's navigate to where it is on our system. I'm going to click here. Mine was downloaded to my downloads folder. Check where yours was downloaded to on your system. It's likely going to be in the downloads folder as well. Now let's double click on it to install it. It is preparing to install. Here it shows where it is going to install it in on your system or on the computer. If you have a reason to change it, change it. If not, leave it as it is. By default, in my case, it's going to install it in the C drive. I don't have any reason to change it. I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, click install. If you get any pop-up window concerning verified publisher Epic Game Inc., just click yes. Be patient, it takes time. Once again, it takes some time, so be patient. Whenever you get this Windows verified publisher pop-up message, click yes. If the progress bar goes off the screen, you can always bring it up here by clicking on the progress bar icon below. So it shows here now the downloading update and the status. So you can see the status bar here. Once again, whenever this Windows security window pops up asking questions about the verification of the publisher, just click yes. Alright, the Epic Games launcher has now been installed and the shortcut is installed on our desktop. That means we have completed the first step. The second step is for us to install Unreal Engine. Now that we have completed the first step by installing the Epic Games Launcher, it is time for us to do the second step, that is install and launch Unreal Engine. We can install Unreal Engine from the Epic Games Launcher. We can sign in from here or click on the shortcut icon on the desktop. In my case, I am going to sign in with the Epic Games login option. I'll double click on it. And here I'm going to enter my login details. Enter your login details as well and sign in. Great, I have signed in successfully now. You will see a screen that looks like this. Here you can browse where you want to install it to, if you want to change the folder, or you can leave it as it is by default. In my case, I am going to leave it as it is by default, and I will click the install button. So when you click on the install button, you will get a screen that looks like this. If you get the Windows security message, just click yes. And now we have this screen for the Epic Games Launcher. You can browse this page to see what is in the store area. I am not going to do that here because I'm going to concentrate on the installation. So for us to install it, click on this Unreal Engine button. And you will get a page like this. You can also browse this page for more information. You can look at the news, YouTube, Q&A, forums, roadmap, or look at the news, samples, marketplace, library, and Twinmotion sessions. But I am not going to look at any of them now because I'm going to concentrate on the installation. Now it shows here install engine, and we can click on it to actually install it. Now I will click on install engine. Here you have some options you can choose from. You can browse to where you would want it to be installed on your computer. You can click on options, or you can click on install. It will also create a shortcut. In my case, I'm going to click on options first. And when you click on options, you will come to this page where some buttons have been ticked by default. What core components are required? That will be ticked. Starter content ticked. The template and feature packs ticked. Engine source ticked. So scroll down a little bit. Here you will see where it says Android, HoloLens 2, iOS, Linux. Because we are on Windows, we don't really need Linux and iOS. If we leave it as it is, it shows here what will be downloaded. The size will be 20.32 gigabyte on my screen, and required storage space 59.09 gigabyte, which is a lot. But because I'm on Windows, I don't really need Linux. I will untick this one, and that reduces the download size and the required storage space. iOS, I don't need it. I will untick it, and that reduces it as well. So I can now go ahead with this because I am installing it on Windows. It depends on your options or your platform. I mean your operating system. It depends largely on your operating system. So I will click apply. Now I can start installing it. Click install. You may get a message that says please wait. Now it is initializing, and we will be downloading the Unreal Engine version 5.0.1. and here this plus, when you click on it, you will see other options that you can download. These are other possible options that you can download, but we are installing 5.0.1. and if you want to stop it, you can stop it here. You can pause it and resume later, but I am not going to pause it. I'm going to continue. Now it is installing. It shows here the size and what has been downloaded. Here you can see, here it shows the size, while here you can see the installation process and what percentage has been installed. It takes some time. Please be patient. It depends on your internet connection speed. It takes time. Be patient. My internet connection speed is not the fastest in the world. Yours might be faster or even slower. Either way, be patient. Okay, 60% of it is done now. Still be patient. It takes time. Okay, it is still installing. 60% of it is done now. Be patient. It takes time. Okay, it's still installing. 73% of it has been installed. Oh, great. 90% of it is completed and it is now verifying. Yes, now 100% is cleaning up. Now it is cleaning up. Okay, great. Now we have successfully installed Unreal Engine 5.0.1. As at the time of this installation, this was the latest version. Maybe by the time you will be installing it, a new version would be out. However, the process will be the same. Now you can have a look at the screen here. Here it shows what we have installed, and if we want to launch it, we can launch it. And here it shows installed plugins. You can click on it to check them if you want. If you scroll down a bit, here it will also show you Quixel Bridge installed to Engine. So Quixel Bridge is a part of the installation shortcut icon on our desktop for Unreal Engine. Alright, now that we are done with the installation of both Unreal Engine and the Epic Games Launcher, we can launch Unreal Engine. There are different ways we can do that. We can launch it from here or through the Epic Games shortcut icon on the desktop. or the Unreal Engine shortcut icon on the desktop. I am going to launch it from here. First, let me close this one. We don't need that one anymore. We can launch it from here or from here. Now I'm going to click on Launch Unreal Engine. The first time you launch Unreal Engine, after installation, it might take some time to load. Great, Unreal Engine has launched successfully. This is how the user interface looks when you launch it. Here we have recent projects, games, film, video and live events, architecture, automotive, product design and manufacturing. As for games, we have different templates: blank, first person, third person, top down, vehicle, handheld, AR, virtual reality. These are all templates that we can choose from for our project. For film, video, live events, we also have some templates: blank, virtual production, DMX, in-camera VFX. We can choose from any of them depending on the project we are working on. For architecture, we also have some predefined templates. These are built-in templates that we can choose from: blank, ArcViz, HoloLens Viewer, Design Configurator, Collab Viewer, Handheld, AR. So there are several templates that we can choose from. And for automotive, product design and manufacturing, we also have different templates that are pre-designed. We can choose from them depending on the project we are building: blank, Photo Studio, Collab Viewer, Product Configurator, HoloLens Viewer, Handheld, AR. So we have so many options here to choose from. So in this video, we have successfully installed Unreal Engine 5, UE5. In the process, we downloaded and installed Epic Games Launcher, and from Epic Games Launcher we installed Unreal Engine. We have also successfully launched Unreal Engine. This is how the interface looks. In the next video, we will take a tour of the user interface for Unreal Engine 5. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye for now.